Imagine this, your money is growing for you while you sleep. No stress, no constant monitoring, just steady, consistent growth. That's the beauty of mutual funds. If you've ever felt overwhelmed with where to start your investing journey, trust me, you are not alone. But then, this investment banker got here. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to invest and make money from mutual fund with as little as 5,000 naira. I will share my screen and you watch me do it. By the end, you will see how simple it is and make your money work for you. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. I am Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker. On this finance community, we are all about securing the bank, investment, side hustle, passive income. You like that? Hit the subscribe button to join us. I want to be your money cheerleader too. So what exactly is mutual funds? Think of it as a money pot where different people put their funds. You know how we are in this our community now? I bring my money, you bring your own, your friends bring their own. We are now like, okay, let's just hand this money over to experts. Let them just go and invest and grow it for us. That is as simple as that. Then the experts on their partner take this money, they go ahead and invest in different instruments. Some can do stocks, bonds, in different asset classes out there. Mutual fund is one of the easiest ways to grow your funds without having to become an investment guru. That's some of the reasons why I love mutual fund and why I think you too will love them. One, there is professional management. Like I already mentioned, you don't have to be an expert. So you're wondering, where do I start? This one they say stock, bond, this, that. You don't want to stress yourself with all of those. You don't even understand what they mean. But you can't be in this channel and not understand what those mean. Anyway, unless you're a newcomer, welcome. But if you're a beginner, mutual fund is the perfect way because there are expert fund managers that manage these funds for you. You don't have to bother. Your own is just to put in your money, go away. When you come back, or you just be watching your money grow. That's one of the beauty of mutual funds. Number two is accessibility. You don't have to have plenty money to start. For some people that would be like, they think that investment is just for big people or people that have millions. No, it's not like that. With as little as 5,000, even less, Shebi, I'm going to share my screen and show you. So it's very accessible, it's very affordable. You can start from where you are and then grow it. Again, is diversification because with mutual funds, you are investing in different instruments. Let's say now, for example, money market mutual fund, I'm going to explain what that means later, is investing in different things, like in different short-term opportunities, fixed deposits, commercial paper, treasury bill. So you are diversifying into different asset classes without having to put all your money in one basket. That's something mutual fund does for you. And again, if you are someone that just wants to grow your money, but you don't have the time or even expertise to start monitoring stock and everything, mutual fund day for you. It's like a very good passive investment where you put your money and go away. Your money will be growing passively. That is one powerful way to earn passive income. So you don't need to invest time, you don't need to invest energy or something. Just put your money and you are good to go. Now let's look at the different types of mutual fund. There are different types, right? When we go into the app now, you will see it. Number one, we have equity mutual fund. Equity means stock. So this one mostly invests in stock. They can gather our money, go and invest in stocks of different companies. As they are earning dividends, as the value is growing, it will also be affecting our portfolio positively. Again, we have the bonds mutual fund, of course. This one invests mostly in bonds. It could be in government bonds. This is a bit more stable than equity mutual fund. And again, I think the most popular one is money market mutual fund. This one invests in short-term instruments. You have the treasury bills, you have commercial paper, you have fixed deposit. And this one is beautiful because it has lower risk, at least lower than the equity mutual fund. Here now, there is the possibility of your capital dropping. I don't know, it doesn't happen with money market mutual fund. So if you come in with 5,000 naira, that money cannot drop below 5,000 naira. It could happen with maybe the equity fund or even the dollar fund, but with money market, it doesn't happen. And that's why I think it is perfect for beginners, right? And in fact, this year, money market mutual fund have been doing so well. There are two of them I invest in. I invest in the Afri Invest money market mutual fund. That's the APF on the Optimus app. We'll look at it shortly. I also invest in Stanbic money market mutual fund. For these two things, anyone you want, I'm going to leave the link on the description. Number one, if you want to sign up on Optimus and access the APF, or you want to sign up with Stanbic IBTs and invest in their own mutual fund, the link is going to be on the description. Anyone you like. Right now, the interest rate is more than 20%, and that is amazing. I remember when the interest rate on this is like maybe 12%, even less than that. This is the perfect opportunity for you to key in and enjoy this interest rate. Like I will always ask, how much is your bank paying you for that money you've been leaving idle in the bank? This is an opportunity to send your money to work. That means if you invest like 1 million maybe in 1 year time you get 1.2. Remember, with mutual fund, the interest rate is not fixed. It depends. It can move up and down. Tomorrow it can go higher or it can go lower. But with money market mutual fund, your funds cannot go below your capital. And again, we have the dollar mutual fund. On Optimus, it's called the ADF. You know the instrument called Eurobond. For you to invest in Eurobond, you need at least $200,000 mostly. But then with dollar mutual fund, they will say all of us, okay, let's come together. We don't have $200,000. I know you have. Wanna be big people on this community. But some of us that do not have, we can come together. Instead of having to churn out 200,000, which we don't have, we can come with as little as $100. I think for some, on Optimus, it's even less than $100. I think with $5 or thereabout, you can invest. We are going to check it out together. So this is also a beautiful way to preserve your money in dollar, to diversify your money in different currency aside from naira. That is investing in dollar mutual fund, and it's going to pay interest. And I think right now the average is about 7% on dollar funds. So which of these mutual funds are you to go for? Is it the equity fund? Is it the money market fund? It's up to you. Do what works for you and your goals. For example, now if you are still young, like most of us here, and you can take a level of risk, equity mutual fund is interesting because, you know, with stock, just the way stock does, it goes up and down. You never can tell if the money is going to appreciate or depreciate. It's not predictable, but the possibility of it earning a lot of money for you is high, maybe more like other kind of funds. But you need to be aware of the risk involved, knowing that it is volatile. But then let's assume that you are saving for a shorter term something, maybe for your wedding, for a vacation, for a new car. You might want to consider money market because this one is short-term instrument. And yes, with mutual fund generally, you can pull out anytime you want, right? Yes, you can pull out anytime you want. For most houses, they'll tell you that at least you have to leave it for like 30 days, I think. We are going to verify. So let's dive into the Optimus app right away, and let me walk you through how to fund your wallet, how to invest in this mutual fund to grow your money. So when you come to the Optimus app, let's look at how to fund your wallet first. If you come here under wallet, right, you can see fund. If you click on fund, you go to bank transfer, you will see this account number is a woman bank account. Copy it. Your own, no, as you can see, this one is my own. Any money you send to it na Christmas gift be that one, right? So copy your own, go to your bank account, fund it. Automatically it's going to be updated here on your app. So now you funded your wallet. Let's go back and invest. If you come to home, scroll down, you will see mutual fund. Click on mutual fund. You have the options naira mutual fund and dollar mutual fund. Okay, so if you want to do naira mutual fund, if you open it, it's going to show you different options. If you click explore mutual fund, here you will see the Afri-Invest equity fund. This one is the equity like we explained. You will see the Bluetooth. This one is for money market, and then there is the NIDF. As you can see their returns year to date, you can see what is showing here. This one is like more than about 25%. This one about 21%. That is amazing. How much is your bank paying you on the money you've left for them since how many years? Okay, so now let's say I want to invest in the money market. This one that is APF, Afri-Invest Bluetooth fund. If you click on it, you are going to see more details of the fund. Down here where is it say about the fund, touch it. The fund offers the safety of capital and a stream of quarterly returns. Yes, that's another thing. It pays you passive income every quarter. It will be added back to your portfolio. So if you look at it, I think I have a few units. If you see and you're comfortable with what you are seeing, you click on buy more. Because I already have, so I will click on buy more. So here now I already have money in my wallet. Remember, we have funded our wallet before now, so I will just click on naira wallet. That's how I want to fund. How much do I want to fund? You can see with as little as 1,000 naira you can buy. I'm even saying 5,000. With as little as 1,000 naira you can invest in this. So if I type 1,000, or okay, let's do the 5,000. Let's say I will click 5,000 naira. It will show you, you'll be estimating unit is 50 units. Just read the details. If you are fine with it, click on review order. Why? This is the summary of what you are going to get. Are you okay with it? Yes. Buy for 7.61 units. Woo! Requesting processing. You have successfully submitted a request to buy. So you give them like 24 to 48 hours. And you, my dear, are a proud investor in money market mutual fund. Is that simple? If you have not liked this video by this time, what are you waiting for? Please like the video. It means so much to me. Mutual fund is just one out of the many beginner-friendly investments you can do. Here is something you need to do for me now. Go to the description. I'm going to link, you see a video on how to start investing in stock for beginners, my dear. The real money is in the stock market. And in this community, you have all you need to get started. That video is going to walk you step by step what you need to start investing in stock. You can go to the description now and watch it. I'm going to see you there.